Welcome to the Amazing Car News Channel.
The 2022 Nissan Frontier is fashionably late to the modern midsize pickup party, but its bold bodywork, futuristic face, and adoption of popular technology could make it the new hotness. While its blistered fenders draw inspiration from the original Nissan Hardbody compact truck, we're happy to report the Frontier no longer looks like a blast from the past. Its predecessor remained largely unchanged for 16 years. Likewise, the truck's interior goes from drab to near fab with a more stylish layout and additional features. Power is provided by a potent 310 HP V6 that pairs with a 9-speed automatic transmission and rear or 4-wheel drive. Off-road enthusiasts will appreciate the Pro 4X trim that has a beefier suspension, an electronically locking rear differential, and other rugged add-ons. Look for the 2022 Frontier at Nissan showrooms this summer. After waiting more than a decade and a half, Nissan finally reveals the third-generation Frontier for the 2022 model year. Sure, it still rides on a frame that dates back to the early 2000s, but the suspension has been revised, and the rest of the truck is considerably improved. Nissan offers the 2022 Frontier in several different trim levels, with the choice of rear or 4-wheel drive and either an extended or crew cab. The company hasn't released pricing for the lineup, but once that information is available, we'll provide a recommendation for which to buy. Engine, transmission, and performance. The 2022 Frontier inherits the naturally aspirated 3.8-liter V6 that made its debut on the last generation 2020 model. The engine generates 310 horsepower and 281 pound-feet of torque. It pairs with a 9-speed automatic transmission and rear or 4-wheel drive. We tested this powertrain in the 2020 Frontier Pro 4X and didn't see a marked improvement in performance compared with the engine it replaced, but we'll reserve judgment until we try it out in the latest truck. The Frontier's towing capacity tops out at the same 6,720 pounds as the previous generations, which means it still falls short of rivals such as the Chevy Colorado, GMC Canyon, and Jeep Gladiator, all of which can pull at least 7,650 pounds. The Nissan's maximum payload does increase by 160 pounds, though, to 1,610 pounds. Nissan hasn't announced fuel economy estimates for the 2022 Frontier. But since it has the same V6 powertrain that motivated the previous generation, you can expect to see around 18 mpg city and 24 mpg highway. Once official figures are released and we can run the new Frontier on our 75 mph highway route, which is part of our extensive testing regimen, we can evaluate its real-world fuel economy. For more information about the Frontier's fuel economy, visit the EPA's website. Thanks for watching.